Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I'll show you how to easily remove background image. So of course press on this edit side pencil and you will be taken to the editor of your website. So as you can see, our website actually is consisting of multiple various layers, right? So we have the images which are not background, we have different photos of our products, we have the text, so everything is some kind of object, and of course you can interact with it. So if, for example, you want to change your background, in my case, as you can see, I have these snowy mountains in here set, so just click on it. After that, you just change background, press on this button. You can also change it from here, as you can see from this one. So in my case, it's going to be this big background, so press on change, and if you want to remove it, just press on none. So I have this little annoying red background set. Let me actually change that to some other color. Let's set it to black so that it doesn't hurt my eyes. So now as you can see, the background is removed. If you want to bring it back, change background, and then once again choose any background from the preset ones, or you can upload image or a video. But in general, it's very easy to remove. Just follow these steps. Enjoy. If this did help, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon, guys.